You may think that I know too much, but now it's never too much because I'm pretty.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you all. Today, as you guys already read from the title, I'm gonna share with you guys my preferred way of removing body hair. Now, I've never really talked about this topic on my channel ever before, and the reason for that is that I didn't really have like a routine before this. But it was like during the quarantine that I started, and I just want to share with you guys how exactly I do it and what routine I follow for getting rid of unwanted hair. Also, there are like a lot of myths about hair removal, and there's a lot of like stigma surrounding this topic in general, and I'm just going to be clearing out some of the air and busting some of these myths for you guys. So yeah, that's gonna be fun, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's talk about my journey real quick. Now, initially, my mom recommended waxing to me, and I did try it as well, but of course it's waxing, so it is super painful obviously. Also during like the quarantine, because of the lockdown, I couldn't really go out a lot, and that is when I discovered Venus. And initially I had my doubts, like I was like unsure, again because of these myths, like hair will grow back faster and thicker and all that, etc, etc. But honestly, when I tried it, I fell in love, because it was honestly like love at first glide. You get a love at first sight, but it's glide. Okay, I know you guys get it. This is what it looks like. It has this light purple kind of a color, which is so pretty, and also these amazing like soap gels on the side. So I'm going to show you guys how exactly I use it. But before that, let's talk about the myths. Were all these things that were told to me actually true or not? Well, the answer is pretty simple. They were not. They say hair grows back faster and thicker, which is absolutely not true. It takes like about 10 days, which is honestly the same as before. So I did like some research about it, and in contrast to waxing, which pulls your hair from the roots and it's like super painful, Venus on the other hand, it removes the hair from your surface. Since the cut blunt end take less time to grow back versus growing from the roots. Also, since it's like the blunt end, when you feel it, it might feel like a little thick, but once the entire hair like grows back properly, you'll see that it is exactly the same as before. Hair growth and thickness actually entirely depends on your DNA, on your hormones and stuff. It's just genetics, and your hair removal process honestly has nothing to do with it. Anyways, let's get to my routine. Now, I personally like to use it when I'm in the shower, and that is because you have to wet your skin, so I find it like really convenient to use in the shower. And also because it has these soap gel bars on the sides, you don't really have to apply the soap externally. Bahar se lagane ki zarurat nahi hai, because it is already inbuilt. So I'm just going to go ahead and wet my skin first of all. The next step is pretty obvious. Just go ahead and glide it on your skin. The gel gets released, which makes the glide so super smooth and smells really amazing, by the way. One super important thing to remember over here is that you should always glide in the direction opposite to that of your hair growth. This is very important. This was the second step. After that, I come back from the shower and then follow it up by the third and the final step, which is to moisturize. This is also another really important step that you should always remember. So you can just go ahead and use any body moisturizer of your choice and moisturize your skin. And that's pretty much it, guys. You're all done. Just 3 simple steps and you're gonna get super amazing and silky smooth skin. Anyways, I'm so in love with this Venus Breeze that I honestly can't even think about substituting it with another product, because honestly it is tried and tested, and I would 100% recommend you to try it out as well. I genuinely really like them, and I think if you try them out, you'll see it for yourself as well. And that kind of brings us to the end of my hair removal routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Since there are like a lot of like young girls in my audience, I felt like it would be a good idea to make this video. So I really hope you guys liked it and learned something new from this video. You guys can also check out Venus Breeze by clicking the link in the description box below. Make sure you go and check them out, because I'm sure you guys will love them as much as I do. And yeah, I guess that is it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.